So here we go. We went through step 1. We started out in the fall with one Spike Essentials kit, and that's how we developed our lunch bunch model. And now that's given us the confidence to go into a classroom and use them with the whole class. So that way we can integrate our learning and to ensure that all kids have the opportunity to experience these incredible kits.
2 people are waiting to ride this, and this is the it's the spinning teacups ride. My favorite part is the coding, because you have to do certain ones before, and then you get to choose like anything else you want. It's really fun.
They're working in groups today, so they're learning how to share with a partner, how to collaborate with a partner. They're also learning problem solving.
I know what to do. Okay. So we put that.
They're also learning with this kit how to follow guided instructions, but then also it only guides them to a point. So then after that point, they have to do some of the coding on their own.
This is my favorite. This is my favorite build ever.
Oh look, they built a car.
Guys, look at this!
We made a helicopter.
We're integrating a lot of science. We've integrated force and motion. We're integrating life cycles through STEM and computer science and coding, so that way the kids are really putting all skills together and becoming better 21st century learners and prepared for the 21st century.